so creamy. Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making the best cheesecake you have ever made in your lifetime. So yeah, let's just get on with our ingredients. Also, this cheesecake is eggless and it has no baking. So if you somehow don't have an oven, I guess this is the cheesecake for you. So of course for our ingredients we have 1 cup of cream cheese. Then we have half cup of heavy cream. Then we have 1/4 cup of confectionery sugar. You can use regular sugar or vanilla sugar. It's a thing. It exists in the world. And we have the graham crackers. We're going to be using 1/4 cup of it. And we have 2.5 tablespoons of melted butter, and we have just just a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So let's first start by moving out all the ingredients that we don't need right now. We're gonna need it later. So first, let's start with our graham crackers. Put in 2 at a time in this bag, then put them in this 1/4 cup until it shows exactness of the 1/4 cup. So I'm going to use exactly 1/4 cup of graham crackers that is like crushed and like almost powdered. Now I'm done. Now I'm gonna put this in a bowl. I'm gonna put my 1/4 cup of crushed graham crackers. You can also use digestive biscuits if you want. Now I will add the melted butter. Now I'm going to mix this. Now our crust is done. Now I'm gonna put this away so we can make actual cheesecake time. So first, we're going to be needing Philadelphia cream cheese. By the way, I love this cream cheese so much. It just tastes so good, especially if you add it on bagels. If you haven't tried this, you should try it. I think I forgot to tell what ingredients I'm adding. So by the way, I just added the cream cheese, the heavy cream, and this confectionery sugar. And also let's just add this vanilla essence. Now it's time for mixing. So you have to mix this until it's like when you make whipped cream, it looks like until it looks like whipped cream, I would say. And then you have to fold it. That's why we have this small but really tough and firm spatula. So let's get back to the loud and noisy hand mixing, electronic hand mixing thing. Now my mixing is done. Now it's going to be folding time. Now it's folding time. So now my folding is done. This step should not take too long. It's just so that this is smooth. Now I'm going to taste it. I can eat this right now. Like, I don't have to put it in the fridge. But if you wanted to taste its best flavor, so now I'm going to put this into cupcake liners. Actually, let's just get on with the step. Now I'm going to put these cupcake liners. We're going to be making 6 of these cheesecakes. So now I'm going to be I'm just going to fill the bottom of each cupcake liner with just enough of this crust, or more if I like it. I would definitely love more. So now I'm going to use this glass so that I can make this crust like really firm, but not like this. So now I put this on a piping bag, and I'm going to put the cheesecake inside. So this cream cheese piping is done. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge for 15 minutes. So now my 15 minutes is done. Now it's time to decorate. So first I'm going to take off our cheesecakes and unfold the wrap. Okay, now I'm gonna so I just bought this over here just so it's easier. I'm gonna do the same for our other 5, including this one. So now I'm gonna put some strawberries. So by the way, you can serve them in the cupcake wrappers if you want, or you can just serve them normally. Like, not normally, like this, like what I'm doing, which is actually normal. I'm gonna put blueberries on two of them. Whoops. It's so good and yummy. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notification bells for more.